Hello students, in this video you will learn about very important name reaction called as Pinacol rearrangement. Okay. In this rearrangement, the alcohol get converted into aldehyde or ketone. This reaction, this aldehyde or ketone formation. Okay, aldehyde or ketone formation take place in this reaction. This reaction is also called as 1,2-diol rearrangement. 1,2-diol rearrangement. Okay, or also called as acid catalyzed rearrangement. So pinacol rearrangement is a rearrangement. In this rearrangement, alcohol get converted into aldehyde or ketone in presence of dilute acid, or this reaction is also called as 1,2-diol rearrangement or acid catalyst rearrangement, because the acid used in this reaction as a catalyst, that's why this reaction is also called as acid catalyzed rearrangement. Okay, so let's see the statement of pinacol rearrangement. When 1,2-diol heated with sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid, it get converted into rearranged ketone. Then its dehydration reaction involve molecular rearrangement known as pinacolan rearrangement. Okay, so what happened in this pinacolan rearrangement? 1,2-diol heated with sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid, it get converted into rearranged ketone. Okay, so let's see the reaction first. Okay, consider this reaction. It is 1,2-diol, okay, or pinacol. Okay, 1,2-diol because first and second position contain or attach two hydroxyl group attached to first and second position, that's why it's called as 1,2-diol. So in presence of acid means H plus, it get converted into ketone form. Okay, it get converted into pinacolin. Okay, let's see the mechanism. Okay. In first step, formation of carbocation. In first step, what happen? The formation of carbocation is take place and removal of water molecule. Okay, this is your 1,2-diol. Okay, so what happen in this step? This hydroxyl group abstract proton from acid molecule. This hydroxyl group is abstract proton from acid molecule and form this intermediate okay. This water molecule remove from here and formation of carbocation is take place. Okay, and formation of carbocation is take place. This is your carbocation. Okay, next step, 1,2 shifting. Okay, so what happen in 1,2 shifting? In this is your carbocation. Okay, so this alkyl group or methyl group shift to first carbon atom, shifted to first carbon atom. Okay, and this electron is transferred here. Electron is transferred here and form this compound. And this is your pinia column. Okay, it is your pinia column. Okay, so what happened in this mechanism? First is formation of carbocation. In this step, this hydroxyl group is abstract proton from acid molecule and formation of water is take place. And formation of water is take place. The water molecule remove from the compound and form carbocation. In next step, what happen? The 1,2 shifting is take place. In this case, this carbocation. In this step, what happen? Take this carbocation. the methyl group or alkyl group of second carbon atom is transferred to first carbon atom and form phenol. Thank you.